Hello everyone. Stop buying paid softwares to add encryption to any important PDF. Instead, if you are a Python programmer, then use this library to add password to your PDF. Without wasting any time, let's see how we can make this possible. Open your favorite code editor and then install the library called pikepdf using pip install pikepdf. Once you install the required library, then you need to import it and then declare a variable called oldFile and then use the open function of this library to open your PDF. If your PDF is in same directory in which you are working, then do it in the way I did, otherwise you need to define the whole path. And then in the next line, you need to define another variable called noExtraction and make the extraction control to false because we don't need to extract any kind of data out of it. Moving towards the final step, in which we will save the same PDF with a new name and then add an encryption to it using the encryption function. It takes 3 arguments. First is the password for normal user, which I set to hello, and second is the password for owner for editing purpose, which is subscribe and in case you didn't subscribe my channel. Then what are you waiting for? Subscribe for more interesting videos like this. And finally, the last argument is to allow not to extract any data. Okay, now it's time to run the code. You will see the new PDF right here. Now, as you can see, the PDF is now locked and it will require password to access the PDF. If you add any invalid attempt, you try it again and again. By the way, you can do the same thing using the library pikepdf too, but it will take a lot of lines, so I don't think we should waste our time in doing the same thing, which we can do in barely 3 lines of code. So that was it for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.